Hey everybody, it's me. So I am out early in the morning, just checking on things. It's cloudy today. It is Thanksgiving Day. So, um, but I just wanted to come out and check on my compost pile to make sure that I buried my food scraps properly. And I did. It hasn't been dug in. Um, But I also wanted to get on here and do a quick video and talk about this little thingy right here. It's a three-way meter, and it tests the pH to see if your soil is alkaline or acidic. It tests the moisture to see how wet and dry your soil is. And it tests the light and the darkness, and like whether you are getting too much light or not enough light for your plants. So I said, like, when I started gardening, that I wasn't gonna be all deep about everything, and I wasn't gonna do all that. I don't need no meters and stuff. But when you start a growing season and you trying to figure out why you aren't getting a certain yield from your fruits or your vegetables, the reasons could be one of these three things. Either your soil is too alkaline, which I found out that if your soil is like at an 8 or higher, your soil is not nutrient dense because it's not holding on to any of the minerals that your plants need to grow. So, there's not a lot of things that grow in a highly alkaline soil. So, you have to bring it down to at least a somewhere in the middle, like around 5 and 7. 5, I think, is great for like berries and like blueberries and strawberries and stuff like that. Don't quote me for real. I think I saw that, but I really think for sure that blueberries grow and certain berries do better in a more acidic soil. So I tested my compost last night, and look, it's very alkaline, okay? And that could be for a number of reasons. But and it's dry and it rained, because this the dry side, okay? And of course it's dark out here because it's cloudy. But I did put this in my peach pot last night just so you could see the movement. Okay, something ain't right because it moved yesterday. This is not doing good for my test. Okay, pause. I'll be back. Duh. Okay, let me see. Moisture. There it goes. So it was on pH, but my pH for this pot yesterday, I thought maybe I had it on light. I might have had it on light, but as you can see, for the moisture reading, we're over moist, closer to the wet side because it did rain. And for the light, you see the light because it's dark out here. It's not really sunny, it's cloudy. And my pH, yesterday I put it, let me see, because I put it over here yesterday. And it jumped to like maybe oh, it's not moving again. Huh. But yeah, this is all the same soil though. So I wouldn't doubt it if it is. But if it is, I will say that I need to make some amendments to get it right. So, I have all season long to figure it out. We do have growth though, so we're doing something right. The leaves are turning brown because it's fall, and the leaves are going to fall off eventually as the seasons change. But you do need one of these. Because one, you want your pH to be on point. You don't want your pots to be overwatered or too dry. And you want to make sure that your plants have adequate light. So that's just me starting out, and I got this on Amazon like maybe, what was this, 2024? This was maybe 2 years ago. And 2 years ago it was like $8. So I don't know how much it costs now, but it's really cheap, and it's a really easy way for you to check your levels and stuff. Now, if you want to get real scientific and get like one of those little kits where you put some of your soil in each one and use the little drops and stuff like that, and the waters change colors and stuff like that, those are on Amazon too. And you can test your levels of pH and acidity and all that stuff like that too. So just some different things, especially if you got kids and maybe you homeschool or you want to show something scientific. The garden is a great way to introduce science and stuff to your kids for homeschooling purposes. So, okay, that's all I got. Like, subscribe, follow along. We're learning together, okay? So wherever you start, we in this together, y'all. We're gonna grow some stuff that we can feed our families, okay? I love you guys. Have a great day.